Google Analytics is a powerful tool, but extracting valuable and useful insights can often feel like pulling teeth, especially for beginners. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here are 3 actionable ways to use Google Analytics to improve SEO. Find low-hanging opportunities to boost traffic. Consider whether a page is about a topic where freshness is a ranking factor. Next, if you see a significant organic traffic change to your homepage, it's usually down to the fluctuation in a search volume of navigation queries. Maybe you went viral 6 months ago and more people were Googling your brand, but then it naturally dropped back to the mean. Now consider whether it's worth it to reuse some old content to boost traffic. Find high converting pages and improve their SEO. The ultimate goal of SEO is usually to drive more sales from organic search. One of the easiest ways to do that is to improve rankings for your most valuable pages. Hit the SERP button and compare your page's SEO metrics to those that outrank you. Take action to improve your page where it falls short. Improve landing pages that contribute to conversions. People rarely land on web pages they've never visited before and buy something right away. They go on a journey, often visiting multiple pages on your site in the process. By default, Google Analytics credits 100% of the conversion to the last landing page your user visited, provided it was a non-direct click. But the reality is that the person probably wouldn't have converted if they didn't read a blog post first. So, technically, this page helped assist the conversion. Improving SEO for these pages will probably lead to an increase in conversions and revenue.